Hello dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I have a very quick salad recipe for you. I already prepared all the ingredients. Only thing left is to mix them. First of all, I cooked this type of pasta which is called wheat semolina. It has some type of nice design. I already prepared here. Now I'm going to fry the ham in this oil. It's regular grapeseed oil, this one. And then at the end I'll add dried cherries. I will also add salt and basil. Let's start frying the ham. By the way, it's a smoked ham, and after it gets a little bit reddish, I'm going to add the paste in it. You may add also dried blueberries or even raisin, depends which one you prefer. It's like you are making a dinner, but it's just a salad that you may eat instead of your dinner. You may eat it both in hot and in cold form. After turning off the heat, you just add the salt a little bit and lots of dried basil. If you want, you may also add fresh basil, but it's gonna be very strong, so the dried basil is better. Because I love basil, I always put a lot. Now adding the Gouda cheese. At the end I will add the dried cherries to give some sourness to my salad. I guess that one handful is really a lot, but I love soury stuff, so I'm gonna add this and start mixing until the whole salad gets its flavor. Maybe it's not even a lot. I'm gonna add more. Yes, this much. Now it's better. And here is the end result. This is very satisfying salad. I tried it and it's very delicious. By the way, you may use this recipe in case you want something light for your dinner, but at the same time you want something that satisfies your hunger. So try it and let me know. Put your thumbs up in case you like it, and write down comments. Subscribe to my channel if you are new for future recipes and DIYs. Thanks a lot for staying with me till this moment, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.